Alright guys, so do you experience mechanical noise from your subwoofer? So what I pertain to is when you increase the volume, is you could hear like there's a rattling noise like this. Do you hear that? What I suspect is the sub, it's not properly connected. Let me get into that. Alright guys, so what I have suspected here is this sub has this screw that is not connected that tight. So what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be reconnecting the screws, a more tighter screws. So let's do this to remove the mechanical rattling noise that we have been hearing. Alright guys, so what we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna be tightening these things here. So I will just tighten it up. Alright guys, so I have tightened the subwoofer mounting screws. So what I'm gonna be doing next is I'm gonna be sound checking it without this chamber, because this chamber is just for hard bass and the other one is for soft bass. Okay. Alright guys, so it's still rattling, and what I think that caused the rattle is my sub that is, remember this, smooth this a little bit here, some O-ring. So I prepared my soldering iron to cut off the wires. So what I've seen from this is that this wire is so long that it could be flexing out the box like that, which is not a healthy sign. So I'm gonna be reducing its size so that there will be no rattling, perhaps, I think. Alright guys, so what I've done is I've shortened the wire and I will be putting tin over here. So let me get to you back guys. I'll be connecting it here on our terminals so we could start banging our bass. Okay. Alright guys, so now I'll be connecting my, of course, so that sucked. I mean, yeah. Oh no. Oh no, there are still flies over here. They're quite annoying. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing my matrix trick. So I'm gonna be connecting this here. I'll show you after. Alright guys, so I've now soldered that over there, so it's in a correct part, and now I'm gonna be closing this again, and I made the wire shorter, so it means there would be less resistance and there could be a possibility that there would be no rattling noise. I think. So let's find out. Alright guys, for me, that's the hardest thing to do, is to remove the mechanical rattling noise from your sub. So we're gonna be now testing this sub. So I've already connected it here, so let's now test this